Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
For our forward outside three turn, we're going to be joining together several skills that you've already come across. First of all, we're going to be taking a gentle forward outside curve, including the carriage of the shoulders and upper body as you've rehearsed in your forward outside glide. You're also already familiar with the rock and twist, the pushing the button action for turning between forwards and backwards, and that is another part of the skill that you're going to be using here. The hardest part to master is going to be the balance that occurs afterwards, but again, we've already encountered balancing backwards on one foot, so developing a longer balance is really just going to be a matter of practice. So let's dive in, making sure we start well with a T shape in the feet so that we can have a good push to send us on our way, and being organized with the skating side leading and the free side extended out in that giant L shape. Now as we take our push on forward outside, we're gazing along our circle line. We push, tidy up our free foot, glue it in there, rotate those shoulders around to face into the circle. And once you meet this point, that's the moment that you're going to push that button underneath your toe, underneath the ball of your foot. It's going to free the heel, and it's time for us to twist and arrive backwards. Remember, each time that you've rocked onto the front of the skate and twisted, then we're going to need to return back down into the central gliding point to be able to continue along our way. In the moments as we complete the turn, we've rocked onto the ball of the foot, pushed the button, twisted the hips and rocked back down into the center area of the skate. You'll notice that the shoulders are actually looking like they stayed still, as if I'm holding my imaginary flat screen TV here and the TV didn't appear to move by much. And what is really happening is there's a twist in the waist. And so the shoulders actually feel like they're trying to draw slightly back this way out of the circle. So the side that came around in that giant L shape into the circle to play the hokey cokey is now going to feel like it's drawing back slightly, as if you're pulling on a rope to help you to control the exit and to kill off any residual rotational energy. This is really going to help you with your exit glide.
So let's see it in action. Taking a super slow-mo, we're going to see a tidy setup, a clean push, L shape in the arms, tidy up that foot, rotate the shoulders, rock and twist. Hockey skaters, you can expect a little more freedom with your free foot, but we have a special note that is important for both figure skaters and hockey skaters coming up in our close-ups. Of course, we should always start with a tidy T for our push, but we must also hold discipline of our free foot remaining behind our skating foot at all times. You may have heard the saying, never put the cart before the horse. Well, this is true in figure skating. The skating foot is always in front and the free foot is always behind when we're skating this three turn.